Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Audi TT hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin of your vehicle. It's typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell or door sill. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You'll hear a distinct click, and the hood will pop up just a small amount, indicating it's unlatched from the primary mechanism. Now, walk to the front of your Audi TT. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, right above the grille area. You'll need to feel around for a small, secondary release lever or catch. This lever is usually located near the center or slightly to one side, and it's designed as a safety measure. Once you've found the secondary lever, you'll typically need to push it either to the side, usually to the left or sometimes upwards. While holding this lever, gently lift the hood fully open with your other hand. As the hood rises, look for the hood support rod. This rod is crucial for safely holding the hood in its open position while you work. With the hood fully open, take the support rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot or hole, which is usually found on the underside of the hood or on the engine bay frame. Make sure the rod is securely seated and the hood feels stable. This prevents the hood from accidentally closing, ensuring your safety while you access the engine compartment. Always double-check its stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.